Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 30% of 50 divided by 20% of 50. So let's start with today's video solution. So first we individually solve the numerator and denominator, then we put the values of that. So 30% of 50. 30% means 30 times 1 by 100 of means multiplication 50. So it becomes 30 times 50 by 100. We can cancel out the 0 with 0. So 3 times 5 is 15. So numerator is 15. Similarly, 20% of 50. 20 times 1 by 100 times 50. So 20 times 50 by 100, which is equals to, we'll cancel out the 0 with 0. 2 times 5 is 10. So our numerator is 15 and denominator is 10, which is equals to 1.5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.